In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Nintendo Switch 2 back to factory defaults, but without losing data. First, we need to enter recovery mode, so hold the power button. Then select power options and power off. Now, when it's powered off, hold both of the volume buttons down and then click one time the power button, still holding the volume buttons. Now we are in recovery mode. Then select restore settings, keep user data. Data in the system memory will be deleted. Save data, screenshots, videos and user information won't be deleted. Data won't be deleted from the micro SD card, and restoring the system to factory settings won't change the system version number. Now click on next. Select restore settings, keep save data. And now we reset the Nintendo Switch 2, but without losing data.